All right, let's scan this. I want to talk a little bit about how do you feel? How does it feel to be recognized? Here we go. Okay, wonderful, respected, love it. Good, yep, gratifying. It's great words. Feel part of the team, that's a strong one, sense of belonging. Right? Wonderful. So when we recognize and appreciate, so this is the first tactic, you want to recognize people openly, visually, and frequently. Now, a lot of times we'll do recognitions, we'll have a big event, we'll hit a big milestone. Those things are great. What we found is what you want to do is do these much more frequently. It can be person to person. Now, it makes people feel valued, it increases engagement, increases creativity and innovation. You can see those words over and over again. It's actually pretty interesting as you do these, how that innovation and creativity starts to improve. And it builds a thankful and recognition-based culture. I absolutely love that term. That actually came from somebody we were talking to at one point when they were putting some of these practices in place. Who wouldn't want to work in a place that's a thankful and recognition-based culture? All right, some important factors. This needs to be team member to team member. Now, recognition from a manager to an employee is absolutely wonderful. When it goes team member to team member, it becomes a different level. When it's manager to an employee, there's some HR connotations there, right? So, hey, this is a performance-related thing. Hey, I got some recognition. It's going to go on my end-of-year review. When it's team member to team member, it's a thank you. It's a team-building activity. It's something that's going to start to make people feel like, you know, I belong on this team. I'm a good member of this team. You need to make it sincere, authentic, and fun. Now, fun is maybe subjective, but you'll grow into fun. And we believe in doing video first, then audio, then text. In person is great, though it has some characteristics of people who are quieter, people who are uncomfortable in those situations. They may or may not engage. So you probably have tools, you've got Teams, you've got other tools that you can use, you've got FaceTime, you can record video on your phone, upload it in different ways. We want you to use digital video and share it and say thank you. So that's why digital is preferred. So question for people in the audience. Typically when you get a thank you, like this type of frequent thank you, you get it in an email, it says something like this, thank you for your help. So anybody, how does that make you feel? Anyone? Appreciate it, that's good. Right? It doesn't make you jump out of your chair, say this is awesome, right? So what if I were to say, and you said appreciate it, what's your name? Lisa. So Lisa, what if I were to say, Lisa, thank you so much for responding. I really needed somebody to respond. I appreciate it, it really helped me out. It makes you feel a little bit better, right? And if the whole audience, if I did it in this setting and everyone said, I want to give Lisa a round of applause. Thank you, Lisa. So other than feeling a little embarrassed in this setting, right? Makes you feel good, right? When you do it in video, what happens is not just do you feel good now and you see someone authentically saying this was great, what happens is then they can go back and view it again. And people will do that. They've got recognized today, 3 weeks from now when they've got a moment and they're not feeling so great, they're going to go back and look at that again and re-feel how good that was. So we think doing that digitally is a really important factor.